Hello guys, I hope everyone is okay. Today I am going to review this amazing Toshiba Fire 43-inch TV. I'm unboxing as well and reviewing as well, full HD and also with voice assistant Alexa and Bluetooth Wi-Fi, and I just bought it around 179 pounds. So I just review as well for other people. So let's see how this TV work and what is inside the box. It's with Alexa, Fire TV, Amazon Fire TV, and Amazon Play Store. Lot of app available and full HD, true revelation, Dolby Audio, TTS HD, HDR10, free view, play, free, lot of channel available, free view. So legs, I'm unboxing guys, legs and paperwork in the box, also remote control and also battery included. Two legs guys, it's really easy to fix just with few screws, so you can easily just fix by yourself. Screw available, also power cable. So let's see, the size of TV is 43-inch guys, lightweight, just 5.8 kg, and a really silk design around the corner, really less plastic, all screen. Look amazing. The price wise just 179 pound, and Toshiba, Toshiba is really old and good company. Paperwork guys, also battery included with this TV, and is rubber pad. From the back is bit thick, but weight wise is amazing. So let's see the ports: HDMI port, mic, channel, line, and also you can play the video with USB. So mic and headphone, back side as well HDMI cable port, and also play video with USB as well, port available. Around the corner is really good, really thin guys, mostly the screen and color look amazing. I know it's not like expensive TV, it's just really cheap, 779 pound, Toshiba 43-inch. Also rubber pad available, 4 rubber pad is prevent slip. 2 batteries guys, really good quality battery. Remote control size is bigger because lot of button available in this remote control. Also voice assistant, Alexa button, setting buttons, volume control, power on off, and it's look amazing and strong enough. Power cable is around 1.5 meter, 4.5 foot. So let's install the power cable. Now power is on guys. Also plastic is still on the screen. I will remove later on. It's look amazing. Look, lot of app available you can download from the store, but I will just downloading the Netflix and YouTube, Talk, Sky, TED, lot of Al Jazeera news, Red Bull, UFC, different app available in this smart TV guys. You can download from the store, YouTube, Sound 5. So I try to download the YouTube. Really easy to control, just control with your remote control, and also just voice command, really good Alexa voice command, so you can control with voice command, search movies or just open the YouTube or Netflix, different movies. So I try to play something from my channel, and
Picture
we will
quality is
see the
amazing
quality
and
of
whole by
picture.
sound.
LCD full HD screen guys. It's look amazing. Price wise, really good.
I played something from my channel.
You can change the setting from the remote control. Setting button is on the remote control, so you can choose different type of screen type or brightness, contrast, colors,
Also, voice
dynamic colors,
very good
eco.
voice guys. Color is amazing, viewing angle is amazing.
Even plastic is still on the screen, but color wise is really good. So you can change the voice as well, sound, dolby sound, or normal sound from the remote control. The setting button is on the remote control, you can see, and you can change brightness, picture mode, standard, film or dynamic, sport mode, picture mode. Lot of setting available in this smart TV. So let's try to upload the app from the Play Store.
Ask, hello Alexa, Netflix please.
Here's Netflix.
Different type of app available on Play Store: Netflix, Amazon Prime, and TikTok. So you can download any app already available in TV. It's really good guys, just cheap TV, £179 is enough for me. Why I spend thousands of pound on TV? So this one is doing good job for me. I like it. So I hope you enjoy. So let's try to play some game as well, or download the game. Maybe I will download later on game as well available in this TV. Also free play, free channel available. Disney, ITV, lot of app available guys. You can see the apps you can download or delete anytime. So for me, Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, that's it. TikTok as well available guys, so you can download TikTok from the Play Store. Lot of app available, Spotify and hundred of app guys. You can download from Fire TV, Play Store, Amazon, and Toshiba 43-inch with voice assistant, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. Good TV guys. Price wise, if you check the price wise is really good TV, but expensive TV like £1,000 is of course lot of different thing available. So money, as much money as good. So this one is just for normal TV with Wi-Fi, without line, and also Bluetooth available. For me it's alright. So also plastic is still on, but the screen quality is not bad, really good. I'm not seeing like big brands or something, but Toshiba as well, really old company guys, more than 100-year old, and a 1 year warranty available with this TV. So I hope you enjoy the Toshiba LCD color TV guys, model number 43LF2F53D8. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel for more review and vlogs. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye. Have a lovely night.